I believe so. Holy fuck. That's one of those, I gotta do it or I die. Holy fuck. That actually was doable. Did Nick go over that? Yeah. Next year. There's No Brakes Billy in front of me. Pedal strike. Whoa, that could go. That's not important right now. Oh fuck, oh my. Rock, rock, rock. Who put these rocks here? You alright? Word to the wise, don't follow me. Bill, why aren't we keeping up with them? Well, whatever you do, don't go any faster, fucker. Fucker. This could be a nice way to die. Holy shit, holy shit. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Ah. GoPro, stop recording.